So hello guys, welcome in our next video. Today we would like to show you how to replace and how to maintenance the adapter of Hilti DD160E is the old type. This is the adapter is the same like for the machine DD250 or DD400. And today we would like to show you how to open it, make a little bit maintenance on it and fix it back. Okay, the first thing is we have not a whole machine because we are repairing at the moment some of them, but you can imagine here is the DD160. The adapter is fixed by this small two screws. You have to open them. Both of them. Open it with the hexagon key. You can take off completely the two screws because we want to show you how to maintenance it inside. So now pull. So as you can see here, here are the two holes for the two screws, and this is the adapter. So now the next step is we want to show you how to open the adapter, to clean it, maintenance it. So what is important? You need two small screwdrivers. The small one, the first one, you have to put in, because inside it's a retaining ring. You have to push the retaining ring to the middle, and with the another one you have to try to take out the retaining ring. Okay, so let's try it. So this is the retaining ring, as you can see. Now you can open the adapter. You can pull out the sleeve. So this is the situation of the adapter. It looks not so nice. Need a little bit clean, need a little bit grease. We clean it with some spray. We grease the spring with a little bit grease. We grease the three bolts. 1, 2, 3. Be careful. Do not lose the other parts here. So let's clean it a little bit. Also the small two screws, so they will work later nice or easy to fix. So now we clean it a little bit. Now we will use a little bit grease for the spring. It's important that the spring will also working well. Let's try it. These 3 pins you can grease, you can use on it too. Alright, so I think it looks nice. Grease it a little bit and reassemble it back. So the grease We will use a little bit on the screws too, just a little bit. So let's assemble it back. This is the main part. Put it in the sleeve, as you can see here. Put it in. And now at the end, this is the retaining ring, and we push the retaining ring into the groove of the sleeve back. I prefer small screwdriver. One side, second side, push it in. You can push it down more if it's not fixed in the groove. Move it up. Now the retaining ring jumped in the groove. Now the last thing is fix the two screws just a little bit. Now you can fix it on your diamond drill machine. The screws are now inside the two. Retaining ring is fixed in the groove, and of course you can fix it now on your machine. There is also possibility to use adapter also with the two screws. As you can see, this fits the machine DD160E and DD250 and also the DD400, and the more older machine types DCM1.5 and DCM2.0. So now you can fix it on your machine. Of course you can paint it, and this can be the result. We make it a little bit nicer, a little bit with the black color. Fix it on your machine and go ahead with the drilling. Yes, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for likes, recommendations, and of course looking forward to see you in our next video. I just want to give you some ideas. In the next videos we will show you how to replace the armature, how to replace the pin, and if you need spare parts, of course, visit our store at Revo Point Store. Okay, nice evening and thank you for watching. Bye.